HT fatal error in Neverness to Everness is a classic Unreal Engine crash, usually caused by GPU drivers, corrupted shaders, or missing runtimes. Here's the fastest working fix path. Do it in order. Fix UEHT fatal error PC. 1. Clean restart plus admin launch. Restart your PC. Right-click the game. Run as administrator. Number 2. Verify, repair game files. If using Steam or Launcher, Library, Game, Properties, click Verify integrity of game files. Corrupt files equals 1 cause of UE crashes. Number 3. Update GPU drivers. Very important. Outdated drivers crash Unreal instantly. Update from NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin. Do a clean install if possible. Number 4. Install, repair Visual C++ and DirectX. Unreal games depend on these. Install latest Microsoft Visual C+, 2015 to 2022, DirectX runtime from Microsoft official site. Number 5. Delete shader cache. Very effective. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete folders related to NTE Unreal Engine shader cache derived data cache. Forces the game to rebuild clean shaders. 6. Lower graphics prevents instant crash. Before launch or in config, set low graphics, disable ray tracing, limit FPS 60. Number 7. Disable overlays and background tools. Turn off Discord overlay, GeForce overlay, MSI Afterburner Riva tuner. These often crash Unreal Engine. Number 8. Force DirectX 11 hidden fix. Launch options. You can see the code in our conversation history. DX12 instability is a common UE crash trigger. 9. Check RAM virtual memory. Ensure at least 8 to 16 gigabytes RAM. Enable paging file, system advanced, performance, virtual memory, system managed. Number 10. Last resort, works almost always. Reinstall the game. Install on SSD, not HDD. Update Windows fully, Windows 11. Quick diagnosis, crashes on launch, drivers/DirectX, crashes in-game, GPU settings. After update, corrupted shaders. Pro tip, Unreal Engine errors like UEHT are generic crash wrappers. The real cause is almost always GPU plus shaders plus drivers combo.